Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to make this beautiful temple for our Ganesha. So I will share each and every step in detail, how to make the pillars, how to make the base, how to make the top, along with all the decorations like quilled marigold flowers, toran, and the color combination I have used today is white, yellow and golden, which is very festive, and this is looking very elegant and aesthetic, isn't it? I'm just loving the outcome so much. So without taking much time, let's start with the procedure. Here I'm taking 21 by 8 centimeter yellow color craft paper. This is 80 GSM craft paper, and just rolling it from one corner to create the pipe shape. Now I'm just chopping it at 8 centimeter. That means we need 8 centimeter long pipe. Then taking one white cardstock which is 8 by 12 centimeters, add little glue on the top, that is on 8 centimeter side. Stick your pipe and just start wrapping white cardstock around the yellow pipe. So this is done. Now adding little glue on top and taking light yellow color 5 mm strip and just wrapping it around the pipe like this in diagonal manner. Now in between the space I am taking this beautiful designer cardstock strip which is also 5 mm and wrapping it around the pipe, and this is done. So it will look like this. Then to create bottom, here I am taking one strip of golden color in 5 mm and creating one cone shape. Like this. Then taking here 2 strip golden color tight coil which is made using 5 mm strip and making one big size cone using the pencil. And it will come in the bottom of the pillar. So I'm just comparing with my other pillar so that the size will be same. Now adding glue inside both the shapes, spread it with brush. And connecting with the pillar. So the thinner one will go on top and the broader one will go in the bottom. And it will look like this. Then here I have prepared this white color tight coil which is made using 4 strips of white color in 5 mm, and I'm just making a dome shape using my quilling mold. Add glue inside this, spread it with brush. And converting this into square dome shape like this. Then sticking it in the bottom of gold cone. Then here I have prepared 1 strip tight coil in 5 mm and I am just sticking it on topmost part of the pillar with the thinner cone. And our pillar is ready. So with the similar method I have prepared total 4 pillars for 4 sides. So these are completely done. Then taking here bunch of cardstock rectangle, you can also take cardboard piece, and this measures 13.5 by 10.5 centimeters. Now I am wrapping it using white color cardstock. And on other side also I am covering with white color rectangular paper, which is having same size as base. So the base is ready. Now I am decorating this with beautiful flourish designer cardstock. All the supply links are given in description box with the coupon codes. So if you want to purchase anything, don't forget to check the links along with the coupons for extra discounts. So this is done. Now I am sticking all my 4 pillars in 4 corners. And it should look like this. Then here I am taking 10.5 by 5 cm white cardstock, and from other side I have creased at 1, 2, 3 and 4 cm. Can you see the crease markings? Now on the first crease line and second crease line I am marking at 1 cm from left and right sides. Then I am creating some markings using pencil. And it should look like this. Then I am cutting the pencil marking. Folding all the crease parts, burnish it with bone folder to make crisp folds, and now connecting the first part with the last one using glue. So the pipe is ready. Also I have prepared one big pipe. For this I have taken white cardstock strip which is 13.5 by 5 cm, and for this also I have folded at 1, 2, 3 and 4 cm and created simple pipe shape without any cuts or folds, and then joining both the parts together to create the frame. So here I am showing you the shadow box frame for our roof of the temple, and with the same method I have prepared one more. So joining all 2 sides together to construct the frame completely. Then decorating the frame from all 4 sides using same flourish designer cardstock. After that, on top of the shadow box I am adding yellow color cardstock frame for the finishing. Now here I am taking same flourish cardstock which is 13.5 by 10.5 cm and sticking my shadow box frame on top of this. So this is done. Then to decorate the roof from top, here I am taking 4 by 6 cm white cardstock and just marking at 1 and 3 cm from top. Then rotating the sheet and marking at 1 cm from both the sides. Create the crease line. And then just joining these markings with the bottom crease line. So for the right one we have to cut using scissors, and rest we have to fold and burnish. With the same method I have prepared one more already. Now for the other side, here I am taking 7 by 6 cm cardstock marking at 1 centimeter from left side, make a line. Then using this line I am marking at 1 and 5 centimeters. Now rotating the sheet, marking at 1 centimeter, create the crease line on this marking, and again joining it diagonally with the below marking. Then cutting the pencil work and folding the creased parts. So this is also done. With the same method I have prepared one more. And now it's time to join all 4 parts together to construct the final shape. And it should look like this. Then I am decorating this with flourish cardstock from all 4 sides. Then here I have decorated the top and bottom using yellow color strips for finishing, and on the top I am adding beautiful designer paper, rectangular shape. And then I am sticking this on top of our shadow box exactly in the center, like this. Then here I am taking 3 strips tight coil dome, which is made using golden color 5mm strip. I have already added glue inside the dome, so I am just sticking it on top of the roof, and then adding 1 strip tight coil dome, which is made using 5mm golden strip, and on topmost part I am adding 1 strip 5mm gold color cone. And the roof is completely ready. Then here I am taking 13 by 13 centimeter yellow color cardstock, adding glue on 3 sides, and I am just sticking it on back side of the base to create the back wall of the temple. So I am taking the help of these pillars to hold yellow cardstock nicely, and to create thick bunch of cardstock I have added white cardstock on back side. So this is done. Then I am decorating 2 sides using this beautiful intricate designer die, and also decorating the center. Then it's time to decorate the roof using this die cutout. So decorated from all 4 sides, and I have cut using gold mirror cardstock. Then in the front also I am adding beautiful border designs in yellow color and in golden color. So I have decorated the roof from all 4 sides. And if you don't have these kind of die cutouts, you can also use crochet laces to decorate the temple, or you can use border punch as well. Now taking back the base temple, adding glue on top part of the pillars, and then sticking the roof like this. Then to make marigold flowers, here I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color in 5mm, just folding it twice like this, and start making fringes using scissors. Now open the strip, and using quilling tool I am making fringe flower. Secure the end using glue, open all the fringes, and the marigold flower is ready. I have also cut one small leaf shape using green color paper. Now I have decorated my front part of the temple using these marigold flowers and leaves, so I am adding one more, and this way you can create the toran. Now between each flower I am decorating with golden color stones, and the complete look of toran will look like this, very pretty. And our temple is completely ready. Now it's time to add the Ganesha inside the temple. So temple is nice, sturdy and completely dried. So in the previous video I have already shown you how to make the Ganesha, and I am just putting it inside the temple. Very pretty. And after adding Ganesha, the temple is looking complete, right? So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.